Hello guys! Today magnunood tayong horror movie. At yung grandma ko, tigbigay akong malaking popcorn. Malaki lang. Ito ang lola ko. Grandma, look at the camera. Grandma, look at the camera. Say hi. So today guys, magnunood tayo sa laptop ko. Habang may popcorn tayo, mag-ready na kayo, magkuha kayong popcorn. At nanood tayong horror movie. Okay na. So guys, today mag-aano tayong horror movie. Excited na excited. Magkuha ka na ng blanket at ng mugo drink. Magkuha ka na ng free squishmallow sa may McDo pa, or magwawala na sila bukas or 6 weeks magwawala na sila, or 6 days magwawala na sila. So today guys, andito ako sa laptop ko, nanonood tayo.
Yun yung nasabi ko nga rin sa ate ko na pinatawagan ako ng oras. Sabi ko dahil sa kanya. Sabi rin ng ate ko, hindi din niya natasagot, pinatawagan din siya. O yan ka ko dahil kaya pinatawagan tayo.
Lambukas ka.
Okay po, sige po, wala akong problema.
And this is the other
Yun naman po,
side.
hindi ko naman kasi
Cheers.
forward sa
The
inyo
door
yung
just
message
started
ko
rattling.
sa WhatsApp ma'am,
That's
pwede ko
okay.
ba kayong
Wheatley House. Dude, I really want to do like a IRL haunted thing. Would you guys want to see that? Like, I know I've said that before, but
Ito ang mama ko.
that would be fun. Bro,
Ano nyo
hit
na
me
lang
up,
po
bro. Let's do
yung
it.
itong number na tinawagan nyo may i-send ko
Yo, ano yun guys?
Really happily not
sige
Si
skipping.
Kayla's big fan ako.
Flashlight in her face. Oh, she's gonna jump out. Please don't do that.
Let's go ma.
Tapos sabi,
Ayun guys, oh.
Ay, kung bumili ka lang yan, telepunta lang yan
Wala.
ako kasi para magluto dyan kakain. Kasi sabi ko Sunday naman, kaya kumang ka.
Oh, I don't like that. Is that the Serbian
Yo,
dancing girl or something?
yo. Magtitipos.
Nag-sideline pala daw.
You're-
Sabi ko,
you're
"Nanghiram
done.
niya ng mga machine
You're
gun
so
kasi
done.
ako kahapon kasi pandagdag sa
Nah,
kasi
that might be the Serbian.
Sabi ko, "Ano matagal, hindi ko na nag-sideline
Person recording this thing from his
Oy, nagano ka na naman.
the night by wearing an anklet on her foot. Weird.
Kasama yan. Akala ko sa ano yung tapos ano.
Ghosts just really like being annoying at night, don't they? Like, didn't even go with the video at all. Like, what? That's just. What are we doing, bro? What are we doing? Alright, you guys have to leave.